Basically, what is psychology?
So we can say that psychology is the study of behavior or mind or emotions.
Same father, same environment, same values, but different perception.
So it totally depends on how we see things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And how we understand it.
How we perceive the
Perceive the
world.
Psychology teaches us that you should accept your feelings instead of escaping from them.
Yeah. Because that's helpful.
Basically, can we say that we need to accept ourselves first?
Yes, that's the most important question.
And then the question comes that does society accept me? It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
It doesn't
Doesn't
matter.
matter.